Baking your own cupcakes can be a joy, and once your sweets are ready, it's fun to display them with the best cupcake stand, whether at a birthday party, wedding, or just for showing off your baking skills at home. We've researched and discovered 9 top-rated cupcake stands, as well as the worst one you may want to avoid. And now for Freshness.com's reviews of the 9 best cupcake stand plus 1 to avoid. Coming in at number 1. 4-tier square cupcake stand by YestBuy. We looked at a lot of different cupcake stands that you can find available on the market right now and found the best cupcake stand of 2020 to be the 4-tier square cupcake stand by the YestBuy brand. This cupcake stand has a 15.1-inch diameter and provides an adequate amount of space to serve up quite an impressive number of cupcakes. Multiple rows of cupcakes can easily be served on the bottom 2 layers. The stand comes with 4 layers in total, and each layer has a glass finish to provide for a more attractive overall design. For those who need even more space, the same product is available in a 5-tier option. Coming in at number 2. Wilton 4-tier stacked cupcake dessert tower by Wilton. The best 4-tier cupcake stand that we could find on the market was the Wilton 4-tier stacked cupcake dessert tower. This is a creative stand that offers a narrow design per layer, but an overall good look that makes it an ideal choice for serving up adorable cupcakes at birthday parties and similar events. This is also one of the more affordable options out there that provides the perfect cupcake stand for barely more than $10. This stand is only available in a white color. The material used in the manufacturing of this stand is plastic, which leads to a solid colored display, unlike glass, which comes in a clear option with no solid colors. Coming in at number 3. Acrylic cupcake display cabinet by Display for Top. Next up is the acrylic cupcake display cabinet by Display for Top, a particular option that we found to be the best large cupcake stand you will currently find on the market. This is not your standard display unit, but rather offers a more sophisticated way to present and serve your cupcakes. This unit is not only perfect for cupcakes, but can be used for any other kind of baked goodies, such as pastries and, of course, cakes. The display unit includes 4 tiers that are drawn out like a cabinet. This is one of the more expensive options out there for showcasing your baking skills, but may be worth it if you own a shop or plan on catering for an important event. Looking to learn more about the best cupcake stand in this review? View the links in the description section and click Learn More. Coming in at number 4. 4-tier round wedding acrylic cupcake stand tree tower cupcake display by Jusalpha. If you are looking for a classy stand that will be perfect for catering cupcakes to a wedding or perhaps even a corporate event, then the 4-tier round wedding acrylic cupcake stand tree tower cupcake display by Jusalpha might be the ideal option for you. This stand has 4 tiers and also includes a base with 4 units that the accessory can stand on. The entire stand is made from a high-quality acrylic material that is safe for the use with food. The stand offers durability that allows you to continue using it for displaying multiple batches of your cupcakes. In addition to the default option, customers can also opt for the stand without the included base unit. Coming in at number 5. Jusalpha 4-tier square wedding acrylic cupcake tower stand, cake stand, dessert stand by Jusalpha. If what you're looking for is the best wedding cupcake stand, then the Jusalpha 4-tier square acrylic cupcake tower stand is an option you should surely look at. This particular stand is also made from the quality acrylic material that is considered to be food grade. It offers 4 tiers and one particular design feature that makes it stand out from the many alternative options you will find on the market today. Instead of featuring the same old round design as we see most of those cupcake stands do, this particular one has a square design instead. The stand comes in a standard option, as well as an option that includes rod feet for an elevation of the stand. Coming in at number 6. Klikel 3-Tier Round Cupcake Stand by Klikel. There are not too many options out there for those of you who might be looking for the best 3-tier cupcake stand. We did some digging around and found the Klikel 3-Tier Round Cupcake Stand to be a particularly interesting option. While it was a little more expensive than the average option on the market, and even than some of the 4-tier stands we've mentioned thus far, this one has a very unique design to it. This would be the perfect catering accessory for more sophisticated parties, for corporate meetings, and of course for a wedding. The plates are ceramic, and the middle parts are made from stainless steel. This means a beautiful cupcake stand with minimal cleaning effort. Coming in at number 7, Jusalpha 3-Tier Porcelain Cupcake Stand by Jusalpha. The Jusalpha 3-Tier Porcelain Cupcake Stand provides a sophisticated and antique look that offers an ideal accessory to a tea party, as well as to many types of events. This is also a 3-tier cake stand option, but its variety of colors is quite different from what we have seen thus far. Instead of being presented in plain colors like white and silver, this particular cupcake stand rather takes things to a more creative level. The metal middle part of the stand is presented in a gold color, while the plates are made from porcelain and presented in pink. Coming in at number 8, Large 6-Tier Wedding Party Square Cupcake Stand by Jusalpha. If you're planning to cater for a larger event with more guests, then you will obviously need more room to store additional cupcakes. The best 6-tier cupcake stand that we could find to provide the perfect design along with adequate space is the Jusalpha Large 6-Tier Wedding Party Square Cupcake Stand. This beautiful stand features a square design instead of the traditional round design and comes in 2 options, the standard 6-tier option and the large 6-tier option. Both of these options include a base. This is most certainly not the cheapest option on the market, but may just be the perfect option for those who need more room for cupcakes than what a 4-tier cupcake stand is able to offer them. Coming in at number 9, 4-tier square black stacked party cupcake tree for parties, birthdays by SinoAcrylic. The last cupcake stand that we want to recommend to you in this review guide is the 4-tier square black stacked party cupcake tree for parties' birthdays. The stand was designed by SinoAcrylic and is made from a high-quality acrylic material that has been certified to be food grade. The stand is unique and features a beautiful glossy black design. It comes with 4 tiers, ensuring enough cupcakes can easily be served for multiple guests at your party. The stand can hold as many as 52 cupcakes. The entire stand can be disassembled and then reassembled according to how you want it structured. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cupcake stand. Click the subscribe button and tap the notifications bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com cupcake stand to avoid. Avoid Wilton Borders cupcake stand. Take this as a word of warning. We highly recommend you avoid this cupcake stand. In the picture posted on the Wilton Borders Cupcake Stand product page, this particular stand looks like a perfect way to get a cheap stand that will look great and be the perfect addition to almost any kind of event. Upon arrival, however, disappointment may strike. Firstly, we notice that the stand is cheaply made. The entire stand is made from cardboard. This means cleaning becomes a challenge. Furthermore, the stand has to be manually assembled upon arrival, and this is no easy task at all, especially since the instructions are not as clear as one would expect them to be. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best cupcake stand. For many, how their cupcakes will be displayed is an important factor. For this reason, it is important to know that you are buying the best cupcake stand. This would help make sure your cupcakes are more presentable to guests at a party or a wedding, or even when you simply want to impress your family. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cupcake stand. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.